Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying to walk back from China to my home in Germany. Today is September the 22nd, 2018. We're in Azerbaijan still, and I just woke up here in this roadside restaurant. It's called Cafe Picnic, and the owner, a very nice gentleman, he gave me a little room in a cabin here. There's these cabins, I guess they should be for eating actually, but yeah, this is what I got. There's a little bed, I didn't use it. I used my own mattress, put it there on the ground, and it was all super nice. The only problem, it was really cold in the beginning. I don't know what happened. And then, like, I put on all my clothes, and I used the sleeping bag and blankie because it was so cold. And then I wake up at like 2:33 and it's really hot. I don't know what happened. But yeah, anyway, it was better than camping. And yeah, now I'm getting ready to go down there and do a little more walking. It's gonna be another 30 plus day today, but hopefully no big uphills and downhills. And then I'm gonna be in a small town called Ismaile and rest there for a day or two. And man, I'm tired. Na, was ist schüchtern? Huh? Oh. So one of these cows just stole an apple from me. Hours later, and it was nice walking through the autumn landscape, but my whole body hurts and I'm not there yet. I got about 12 kilometers to go down that way, and my legs hurt and my arms hurt and I got a stomach ache. And my head hurts a little bit, and even my ass hurts. And my ass hurts because I had to stop the caboose yesterday on the way down. You know, she doesn't have any brakes, so I'll just stop her with my ass. And now it hurts. And it hurt last night too when I was trying to sleep. I couldn't sleep on my back because it hurt. And now I'm on this road here. There's a cow. So many cows here. What's up, cow? But like all the cars, they go so fast here. It's a little bit annoying. We'll see how it goes. Did you see that? We have returned to a familiar theme, which is walking at night in the darkness with my vest on and with a light on, crouching on the side of the road. Got about 6 kilometers to go, but another familiar theme is we are encircled by thunderstorms. There's one, and there's another one down there. And they're horrifying. There's something special about being outside, walking when there's a thunderstorm. When you see it, and you hear it, and it sounds like nature is angry. Then it's awesome in the truest sense of the word. Awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna try to outrun it. Wind is going in that direction, so maybe that one is gonna catch up with us, but maybe that one down there is gonna go in another direction. Either way, if you liked the video, check out the blog. It is called thelongestway.com. Or what you can do is you can share the video, show it to somebody who likes thunderstorms. They're pretty likable, man, but they're also terrifying, at least to me now. God damn it. Yeah, you do you.